Hello again, business owners. We know that you're busy. You don't have time to advertise your business or services on social media platforms. There are so many to choose from in any case. This is where we come in to help you. How would you feel that your agency, your company would be prominently displayed on several different platforms of social media by continual blogs? How would that improve your business, your outreach, your brand recognition? You know it will. Everybody's on social media. However, everybody's on that scroll pass by. Nobody wants any more ads. However, on social media, you can do so much more than just ads. You can do a lot of things that are free that are just posts. Your customers want to be taught different tips and techniques that you can suggest. They also want to see some before and after project photos and maybe even some humorous stories of how things move along in your day-to-day business, or funny things that you've found that are out of the usual things that you find, and to give them a laugh, to show that your business has heart, that you are a people-caring business. Are you interested in having us help you get your business known on social media platforms? We would be glad to give you a hand. Reach out to us so we can get started. Take care and have a great day.